Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So, students, as you know, in our last video lecture, we have started our chapter number 5, working with styles and objects. Okay. In that lecture, we have seen how we can apply the built-in styles in our text, how we can create our own styles, and how we can insert word art in our text, in our word file. Okay. So now it is the time to learn something new, something more. Okay. So be ready for it. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is creating a text box. Okay students, you can see this topic here, creating a text box. Okay, what is a text box? That topic I have already covered in Zoom lecture, but now I want to repeat this topic here again. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. What is a text box? A text box is a placeholder. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. A text box can be used to manipulate text and give new graphical effects. A text box can be used to manipulate text and give new graphical effects. You can move the text box along with its contents anywhere in the document. Understood everyone? You can move the text box along with its contents anywhere in the document. Is it clear for you? Now we will practically see how we can do the same. So this is your Microsoft Word file. Okay. If you want to insert a shape, so what you have to do, you can see when you will open any Word file document, so by default the home tab is selected. And if you want to insert a text box in your Word file, so first you have to click on Insert tab, which is present just beside the Home tab. Okay, so this is Insert tab, and here you can see if you want to add text box, so you have to click on the text box button in the text group. So here you can see this is the text group, this one is the text group, and here you will found this text box button. So you have to click on it. As you click on it, you will get this type of window. You can see this window will appear, and here you will found this option, draw text box. So you have to click on it. When you will click on draw text box button, you can see the mouse pointer will be changed into cross sign. You can see, you can observe, when you will click on the draw text box option, the mouse pointer will be changed into cross icon. Okay, so now if you want to draw a text box here, you have to click and drag the mouse pointer on the document to create the text box. You can see now I am going to create a text box. First you have to click, then drag like that, and you can create your text box. Now you can see my text box has been created. Okay. The text box will be drawn with the insertion point inside it. Now you can observe that the insertion point is blinking inside this text box. Understood everyone? You can observe the insertion point is blinking inside this text box. You can resize the text box by dragging its handles. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 handles which are present at the edges and at the corner of the shapes, and by dragging these handles, you can resize your text box according to your need. Understood everyone? Type the text, it automatically adjusts and shift the text to the next line with respect to the box area. I think, is it clear for you students? Now we are going to add some text here, and you have to observe that whatever the text I am going to write over here, it will be automatically adjust inside this text box. Okay, so you have to watch and you have to observe very carefully. Understood everyone? Now I am going to write a text box is a placeholder. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter any text, where you can enter text a text box can be used to manipulate text and give new graphical effects. So here you can see students, a text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. A text box can be used to manipulate text and give new graphical effects. So I have write down this sentence or this paragraph inside this text box, and I think you have observed very carefully that this text are automatically adjusted in this text box. Okay, understood everyone? Now there is some tip for you. If you want to change the style of a text box, so you can do this. You can do this with the help of the format tab. So you can observe here on the above ribbon. In the above ribbon you can observe that here is a format tab is activated when you will add some text box here. Okay, so what you have to do now, you have to just click on this shape styles group, and here you can see, you can observe, you can changes the border of this text box, and you can also feel the shape. You can just feel the this box also like this. You can see it. Okay, you can also change the outline of this shape or border of the shapes and text box. From here you will get different types of shapes, different types of styles. So now I am going to selecting this one, and here you can observe. Okay, so like that you can use you can enhance, you can decorate your text box according to your choice, according to your styles, according to your choice, according to your need. Understood everyone? Now we will see the next topic. This topic has been covered. Now we will see the next topic here. Right now we have completed this topic now, how to create text box. Okay, now we will see working with shapes. What is shapes? First you have to tell me what is shapes. The shape is a drawing feature that helps you to draw various shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. With the help of these shapes, you can draw attention and provide impact to your message. Okay, what is shapes? The shapes is a drawing features that help us to draw various shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. With the help of these shapes, you can draw attention and provide impact to your message. To insert a shape, follow these steps. If you want to insert a shape, you have to follow some steps. So see here. Now you have to watch here. And here I am going to insert a shape. So first I have to move this text box here. I am moving this text box. First I am resizing this text box. Okay. Now I am moving this text box at the left and right hand side. Okay. Now I am going to explain you how we can add some shapes in our drawing. So to add a shapes in your drawing, if you want to add some shapes in your drawing, in your Word file, so you have to follow some steps. First you have to click on the insert tab, and here in this illustration group you will found this shapes options. Okay, so you have to click on it. When you will click on it, a drop down menu displays various options like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, stars and banners, callouts. Okay, like that you can see there are various shapes are available. Okay, so now I am going to choose a smiley face which is present inside this basic shapes options. Okay, so here I am using this smiley shapes. Now you can observe the changes. The pointer changes into cross hair symbol. Okay, the pointer changes into cross hair symbol. So what you have to do, you have to just click and drag your mouse pointer and you can see. Also you can observe, you can just resize your shapes with the help of the handles which is present at the edges and at the corner of the shapes, like that. So this is a smiley that I have drawn here. You can observe the format tab is already activated now, and from here you can change the styles of the shapes, you can change the appearance of the text. So now I am using this one. Okay, a smiley with a blue line border. Okay, so like that you can observe, and you can also make the changes like this using this middle one, from smiley to sad. Okay, so like that you can make any changes in your shapes if it is available. Okay, now you have to click on the more drop down menu to select option from the more shapes styles. So here you can see this is the drop down menu which is used to select the more. You can choose any one, any else, and I am using this one, yellow, because smileys are yellow, so I am using this one. Now I am using this one. Okay, so you can see this is a smiley but its face is not visible properly. I am using different one. I think I should use simplest one, that is this. Okay. Okay, you can observe, if you want to maintain the height and width ratio of a shape, so you have to just click on the you have to just press the shift key, and then you have to start drawing your shapes. Okay, so you can also do this. So like that you can draw any shapes with the help of this insert tab. First you have to click on the insert tab, then you have to click on the shapes group, and then you have to choose any shapes from here. You can choose any shapes from here, and you can just, for example, right now I am using this one. This is the call out, and I am using this one here. and I'm changing its styles like this. Okay, so like that you can add any shapes, and you can also make the cartoon characters and some comics type of characters using these shapes also. Okay, so like that you can do. Okay, so this topic has been covered. I think, is it clear for you how we can insert any shapes in our Word document? Understood everyone? Now we will see the next topic. The next topic is placing text in shapes. If you want to add some text inside a shapes, you can do this. To do this, you have to follow some steps. So let's see. If I want to add some text inside this shape, so what I have to do, first I have to select the shape, select the desired shape, then drag it according to your need. If you want to drag it, if you want to place it another area, so you can just drag it. If you want to drag it, then you have to make sure that your mouse pointer will be four-headed arrow. Okay, when your mouse pointer will changed into four-headed arrow, then only you can able to drag it like this. Now what you have to do, you have to just right click on it and click on text, add text area. Okay, so here some text is already written, so there is a added text option will appear, so you can just click on add text. Okay, so here you will also get the add text option. So first I have to select the different shapes for it. I am using this rectangle. You can see now I am right clicking on it, and you can see this is the add text option. And if you want to add any text here, you can add this. Practice makes man perfect. So I am writing here, practice makes a man perfect. Also you can change the style of the shapes. You can also change the font color. First you have to select your text and then like that. Okay, so practice makes a man perfect. I have written this quote inside this shape. So now it is clear for you that how we can enter any text, how we can insert any text inside a shapes. Now I am going to again repeat this topic. You can see first you have to click on the insert. Here you will find shapes button inside the illustration group. So you have to click on shapes. Now you have to select any one shape. So right now I am selecting this banner. I am selecting this now I am selecting this one, and I am going to draw this shape like this, and I am going to resize this shape again. You can resize your shapes according to your need, and I am changing its appearance, I am changing its styles. Okay, so it is changed into red, and I am going to write something over here. So if I want to write something here, so I have to click on right click on it. If you want to add, if you want to insert, if you want to write something inside a shape, what you have to do, you have to just select, first you have to select the text, select the shape, select the desired shape, then right click on it. Then you can see drop down menu will appear, and here you can see this is add text options. So you have to click on add text, and now you can see a mouse is a pointer, or you can say a insertion point is blinking inside these shapes. Okay, inside this shape. So here you can write anything, whatever you want to write. So I want to write here, the shortcut key to hide or show the ribbon is Ctrl plus F1. The shortcut key to hide or show, to hide and show the ribbon is Control plus F1. Understood everyone? So like that you can insert any text inside any shapes. Is it clear for you? Okay. So now I am going to tell you how we can save our file. So it is once you have done with your drawing, once you have done with your Word file, your document has been completed, then you can save your file. So to save your file, you have to just click on this File tab, click on File tab, then click on Save As option. From here, you can choose any location. So I am browsing a location. Wherever you want to save your file, you can choose your destination. Okay. So I am using class 5th, chapter number 5, example 1. I am giving the name of my file as example 1. Okay, now after giving the name to your file, you can just click on save and it will be saved, and here you can observe the changes. First, you can see the name of the file has been changed from document 1 to example 1. Understood everyone? Okay students, so like that you can save your file. Understood? And this is about when you will save your file first time, you have to click on the Save As option. Now I am going to again save my file, so you have to just you can just simply click on the you can use the key combination Control plus S from your keyboard. Okay, Control plus S, or you can use the same way, click on the File tab, then here you have to click on Save option. Instead of clicking on Save As, second time, from the second time onwards, you have to click on the Save option only. Understood everyone? So like that you can save any file again and again using the Save option, or you can use Control plus S key combination from your keyboard also. Okay students, so that is enough for today. In our next video, we will see using drawing tools, how we can use the drawing tools in Word document. Understood everyone? So do practice of these things, and bye. Take care students.